All right. All right. Hey guys, how's it going? I am back with another video, and today, as you can see, we are in the car, and it is not as hot as it was the other day, but there's a reason I'm in the car. It's not for the heat, but when you see what trick we're doing, it'll make more sense. But we are going to spin the wheel and get into today's video. Make sure before we spin the wheel to like the video and comment down below something. So yeah, there we go. Let's get into it, spin the wheel, and get today's trick done. Today's trick is backwards flying. I'm a little nervous for this trick. I've never backwards flown. I guess, well, okay. I guess you can consider, we kind of flew backwards for a little bit in the backswing, and also the Matty Flip, you kind of fly, because you have to fly backwards out of it. I guess I have technically flown backwards, but not on purpose. So I'm gonna fly a couple packs, and then I'm gonna explain what I want to do with the third pack, the whole reason we're in the car, and then, yeah, let's get into it. Waste no time. This is episode 21, backwards flying. Oh, and the reason I'm using the tiny move today is I just wanted to, for the whole reason I'm gonna try this. How are we in angle mode? Is that, yeah, perfect, okay. So, backwards flying. The whole thing was just yaw 180 and then backwards fly. I hope the wind doesn't ruin what I want to do. I didn't want to try it with the 5-inch because there's just no need to. Man, I'm getting a lot of wobbles. I don't know if I showed this last time I flew this thing, but the frame is cracked. Like there's a crack straight down the middle of the frame on one of the motors. That was a terrible explanation. That didn't help at all. The prop guards around the thing is bent, or it's cracked. You know, in a minute I'll just show you and you can see what I'm talking about. But it makes the flying all weird and also makes it all jittery. So I'm not gonna be flying for too long at the 3 batteries, but I really just want to do the trick. What I want to do is go through the car. That's the whole reason I'm in the car. Let's see if I can go through the car. So you hear that noise? That's not good. Let's see if I can go through the car just in general. Look how wobbly it is. That's because that's me. Yes, you know, I need to fix that. And then the wind. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this. This is bent right here. So I have freaking tape to keep it together, even though the tape is doing absolutely nothing. Probably the stupidest thing I've ever done. So yeah, what I want to do is fly it through the car, but backwards. But if I can't even fly it forwards, what makes me think I can fly it backwards? We're gonna back up so we don't do that again. I don't know if I just need to go fast. Well, but I don't want to go too fast because then, obviously. But once you, ow. Once you get in the, yeah, I'm slicing myself up. Once you like get in the car, it gets very hard to. Let's just do that. It gets very hard to keep it straight. So I don't know about going backwards. It was a dream, but it might be a dead dream. Because you gotta go backwards and then just, I don't know how to keep it level. Maybe I roll down the windows, do it in the back seat, right? I mean, if I go fast enough, right, it should be fine. Should be keyword. All right, let's at least get through the car.
Disarmed. Crash flip active. Armed. Disarmed. Armed.
Ugh. This is not easy. Oh, it's getting hot. All right, let's try and bring it in so I don't have to get out of the car. That's what I want. If I'm gonna break any drone, it's gonna be this drone. This is my dream, okay? From like 10 minutes ago. This is, this is what I wanna do. Is this even recording? It is, cool. And let's just do this. First of all, this is what it's supposed to look like, right? You're supposed to go backwards and then fly. But I don't know. I mean, what do I have to lose, right? Probably a lot. The problem is, the hardest thing is just gonna be getting it straight. Lining it up right, because I can't even. And it's so jittery, I can't even tell what's going on. Yeah. See, what did I say? What did I even say? This is gonna be the worst video I've ever done. It's just so boring and I'm just not there yet. Because I want to just go backwards. Well, so I can do this. I'm also turning too slow. I was hoping I wanted a good spot to do it because I mean, just going straight and then turning around and going backwards is not, well, let's even do that. It's not generally, like this isn't the most appealing. You know, I can do it. And I would like to do it through the car. The only problem is I can't even keep it straight forward, so I'm not confident enough. It's just too, I'm not there yet, you know, my skill's not there. So let's do some other tricks, why not? Like this, we can just turn around. All right, one last time through the car. Let's just send it, full send it through, and that'll be it. And if we don't get it, we don't get it. Oh well. Who cares? That's all right. Oh, I'm terrible. All right, I want to get it at least straight. Let's try that. Cool. Did that.
Disarmed. Crash flip active. Armed. Disarmed. Armed.
All right. I can't even go fast. Like, it's just not gonna. Oh, you know what? Okay. I know I'm taking way too long and I need to land the battery, but what if we do it above? I just don't think I can do it. Let's try it. Let's try it one more time. Hopefully we don't break something. But it's gotta go fast. I gotta go fast enough. Right? Okay, let's do it. All right. Now I can land it. Oh well. Don't. Where's this? Well, there you go. There is the trick that I attempted to do, backwards flying. Like I said, I wanted to put it in a spot where it would at least look cool and not just in an open field, but I couldn't really find anything besides just flying through my car, but I am just not there yet, you know? Just not there yet. So this is episode 21 of 64. Backwards flying. And I'm going to give it a solid 2 out of 5 stars. Because it's not hard, like getting the trick is not hard. It's just doing it. It would obviously be a lot harder in a tight space, the control to keep it from going everywhere. And I probably chose the wrong quad to do this, but who cares? And I'm going to draw my car. That is the worst car ever seen. I'm gonna draw the windows down. I don't know how you draw windows down, but. And we're gonna draw the drone. All right, that is episode 61. I wish it was episode 61. Episode 21, backwards flying. There you go. I hope you're having a wonderful day. That is episode 21 of 64, backwards flying, done and dusted. I hope today you take a breather. Just take a breath and enjoy whatever you got going on in your life. I'm Timo FPV. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more, and I'll see you next time. Peace